Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to generate and share your Behance portfolio link from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Behance account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea is you would want to get access to your profile. And you can do so, you can get there by clicking on your profile icon found at the top right corner of your screen. So it's this one right here. So when I go to hover over this button, there's an option that says Behance profile. So we're going to click on it like normal, and it should take us to this page right here, showing us all of our work and projects. So if I were to share this one right here, I'd simply click on it, and it should actually pull up the entire project. And from here, you guys want to click on the share button. So it's this one right here. Now it's not this one. It's not the link. You would actually want to click on share and generate the link for it. And that's basically it. That's what you guys need to do to share your portfolio on any platform using Behance with this function right here. And what's going to happen is when people click on the link, they'll actually have a carousel view of your project or your portfolio, showcasing all of your works or your work and your projects. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.